Hey, welcome back devs. Another Tools and Tips Tuesday here. This week I'm going to show you how you can quickly run and validate Kotlin code without writing tests or actually running your program from within both Android Studio and IntelliJ. This is a useful tip that I came across on Twitter. It was something that I knew you could do in IntelliJ but didn't realize that it actually worked in Android Studio as well.
Okay, so here we are within Android Studio, and let's say we have a simple Kotlin class here, and we'd like to be able to quickly run some code and validate whether or not this class is performing how we would like it to. Now we could do this with a test, but sometimes you don't want to go through all of the setup and boilerplate of creating your test. Sometimes you just want a real quick, down and dirty way of executing some code. Well, Android Studio and IntelliJ have a really interesting feature where within Kotlin code, you can define a top-level main function pretty much anywhere you want, and then actually execute that function independent of the rest of your program. So in this case, within this person.kt file, we could create a main function. So we'll say fun main args array of type string. You see, as soon as we define that main function, we now have the little run button over here on the left. Now we could say val person equals person. I'll use my name here. And maybe we just want to quickly print out the value of full name to make sure that the formatting is looking correct. Once we do that, we can hit run. And we'll see that the output runs here at the bottom. So this is a really useful, quick way of just testing out our code without having to actually set up tests. This could be really useful if you're wanting to validate a network request or database operation or something else that might require a lot of setup code to do in a test otherwise. And now the same thing works in IntelliJ as well. So if we switch over to IntelliJ, we'll see we have this same person class setup. And if we drop in that same main function, once again, we can hit run. And after a couple of seconds, we'll see the output again down here in our console window. So this little trick will work whether you're working with Kotlin in Android Studio or IntelliJ, and hopefully it will help you validate your code a little more quickly and come in useful down the road.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like this video, leave a comment or hit the like button, and you can hit subscribe to stay up to date on future tools and tips. Until next time.